With the cost of living still a major focus in Australia in 2026, finding a way to track your spending shouldn't cost you more money. You don't need a paid subscription to master your finances. Today I'm breaking down the best free budgeting apps available right now that help you save, track, and invest without spending a cent. Right, if you want a pure budgeting experience, Frollo is the top choice in Australia. It uses open banking, the consumer data right to securely link your accounts without needing your passwords. It automatically categorizes your transactions into buckets like groceries and rent, giving you a real time look at your spending habits across multiple banks instantly. For those who want to track their net worth, we have another one which is WeMoney. This one is a powerhouse. Uh, it doesn't just track expenses, it connects to your superannuation, investments, and even your crypto. A standout free feature is the monthly credit score check, which helps you stay on top of your financial health while participating in a community of Aussies sharing savings tips. Then, number three is Billroo. So, for those who want to track, so this one is a newer Aussie made app that has gained massive popularity for its AI driven simplicity. It's designed to be clutter free, focusing on predictive bill tracking. It learns your recurring payments and warns you when a bill is coming up, ensuring you never hit a late fee. It's perfect if you find other apps too noisy or complicated. Alright, and the next one. So while it has a paid tier, the Pocketsmith free sidekick plan is excellent for users who like to look ahead. It allows you to create up to 12 different budgets and provides a 6-month financial projection. This is the best tool for planning a holiday or a big purchase, as it helps you see exactly how today's coffee habit impacts your bank balance in the future. So taking control of your money is the best investment you can make this year. If this guide helped you find your new favorite Aussie budgeting tool, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our community of savvy savers. Stick around for more tech and finance made easy. See you in the next one.